What up, guys? And as you can see, another unboxing, and it is an off-white Converse. Just an off-white Converse, that's it. I'm surprised I got another off-white back-to-back. Just got the Blazers that you saw the other video. If you saw it, if you didn't, go look at it. I don't know if I'm gonna link it or it's probably gonna be related. Hopefully. Let's see what size it was. It was a size 9. I won this at Wish ATL. Won on a raffle. I went for a 10. They were like, "You signed up for a 9." I was like, "I guess I signed up for a 9, whatever." Picked it up, and earlier today in the morning, Nike dropped it. Took a L. Went on Essence. Took a L. And I think Sneakers and Stuff posted who won their raffles today. Took a L on that, obviously. Fuck that other shit. 2013. 2013. What the hell? Anyway. Let's get into it. It is the basic ass Converse. That's all it is. Just with the little writing on the side. Whoa, amazing. Orange tag. What does it read? Off-white Co Converse 2018 zip tie. Off-white bottom. Always. Off-white for Converse, Chuck Taylor, All-Star, Malden, Massachusetts, USA, Company 1917 on the inside of this shoe. The other shoe has nothing. Same exact thing. No special laces come with this, which was honestly the worst part about it. And the actual worst part is that I had to buy it in Atlanta. And Atlanta's 3% more tax than normal tax where I live at. And that's funny. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm just going to sell it, keep it, most likely sell it because it's the ugly ass shoe that I don't even want. I'll just sell it. I don't care. Anyways, I'm about to do close